Hello everyone. Today's video is going to be on clearing cache, temp files that can slow down your computer, and a couple of other things. And we're just going to get right into it. First thing, we're going to right click on the taskbar and we're going to go to Task Manager. And we're going to click on Startup up here. And if you have a long list of enabled apps here, these can slow down your computer. You really don't need them enabled. So apps that you don't really need to start up on as soon as you start the computer, you can disable those. You know, if you use a browser a lot or whatever, you can leave that enabled. But all the rest of them, you really don't need that. Okay, we're going to go into Explorer, File Explorer. And we're going to click on this PC. Make a note of your C drive here. Make a note of it. Okay, mine's at 841. Make a note of that and see if by the end of this video, see how much you save, how much space you're going to save. Okay, we're going to click on the C drive, double click. And then up here on Windows, double click. And then we'll scroll down. To Software Distribution. Double click. And then double click on Downloads. And we're going to just get rid of these files here. Delete those. We're all good there. They're just temp files that you don't need on your computer. Now we're going to go into search. And you can type run, click on run, and then type %temp%. Click OK. Here's a bunch of temporary files that just makes your computer slow. You can click Control on your keyboard and A together, and it'll highlight it. And then you right click and delete. Okay, that's good. Some files may stay behind. They're still being used. That's okay. We're going to click on run again. And we're just going to type in temp. It's not going to be too much on this one, but you can delete these. Just delete them. One more time. Run. And then this time prefetch. Okay. Prefetch. Click OK. It says you don't currently have permission to access this folder. Just click continue. Okay. Click Control A. Highlight them all. Right click, delete. There's usually a lot of prefetch. Okay, you can leave that one behind. We're gonna type in delete browsing history. Okay, in your search, I have it here. Then over here there's more temp files, and it tells you here what they are. Just files that are bogging down your computer. Okay, we're going to click delete. Okay, and it tells you what you're going to delete here. Click apply, and then click OK. We're going to go into search again, and we're just going to type in storage. Just scroll down until you get to this trash can here, and click on it. Okay, over here we have all that stuff that we just deleted. It's going to end up in it ended up in the trash bin, a lot of it. Okay, so make sure that you tick that off. Tick off delivery and optimization. Thumbnails, if you have a lot of thumbnails. You might have like some windows, some that say Windows cleanup and stuff like that. Now if you have those are going to take a few minutes. They might take about 20 minutes. I got rid of those just to move the video along here. But they will take about 20 minutes sometimes to finish off, like to get rid of. Okay, so we're going to click on remove files. Okay, and there you go. All those are gone now. Now we're going to go into search again. And we're gonna type restore point. Okay, create a restore point. Just click on that, and you're gonna get a box like this here. Make sure that this is on. Okay, that you can click here where it says Windows C. Okay, and then we're going to go to configure. Okay, turn this on. Turn on system protection. This is very important just in case something goes wrong with your computer. You have a restore point that you can go back to. Okay, it can save you a big problem. Otherwise, you can't fix your computer. Just makes it much more difficult. Okay, and over here, down here, you can set it up to be like about 1%. I have mine at about 1%. Okay, where it says here. So it'll use at the most is 9 gigabytes of restore points, and I had gotten rid of them before just to move the video along a bit. Okay, now if your computer is doing well, it's really good right now, it's working well, what we can do is delete the restore points. Okay, you will not be able to undo unwanted system changes on this drive. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes, I want to continue. Okay, close. Click OK. And then what we're going to do, we're going to go over here and create a new restore point. So you call it something, call it anything you want. And this will create a new restore point. So we're just freshening things up. Okay, that'll just take a couple of minutes. And we're done. We can close out of that. Click OK. And if you want, you can go back to this PC and see how much you saved. I didn't save much because I had cleaned it up before to move the video along. We don't want to, waste a lot of time. Anyways, thank you very much for watching the video. Let me know in the comments section if it saved you a lot of room on your hard drive. And is your computer a little faster now? Does it feel a little lighter? Is it working a little better? Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one.